Alright guys, how you doing? As far as what you can tell, I'm in the South, the very deep South. Let me show you what I got. Bam, bam, boo, 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 boo. That's right. PM, Purple Magus, in the building. About to do an unboxing. Let's get this shit going. Gotta understand, by myself, so I'm trying to, but here we go. First time, just doing it now. Okay. Oop. I knew I ordered, but I don't remember exactly what's gonna be in here, so bear with me, people. I don't want to mess it up in case I got a sticker. I want to try and save the sticker or the little guy. Fairly new to this, so bear with me. Alright. See what we got. Purple Mac. Yeah! Yes! Yeah! Purple Magus. You the man. Hell yeah, Perp.